my stupendous students. This is Ms. Attacco. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add yourself to our Google Classroom. The first step is to log into your Wake ID portal with your lunch number as the username and password. When you get to the portal, you're going to click on the Google Classroom icon. Now, for many of you, you're going to get a pop-up. All you need to do is hit continue. You say, I'm a student, and then you join our class by clicking the plus sign up here. Our class code will change from year to year, and you will need to get it from me. I'm going to type in our class code and hit join. And once you hit join, the class should pop up. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.